Then let's move on to the next point, weight bearing. Weight bearing, here again we can say quite clearly and definitively that we are in the mechanical area, that's not the problem. With the possibility of fully applying body weight afterwards, in both areas, that means both legs can be lengthened simultaneously. That's the big aspect. If the systems are not fully weight bearing, then you always have the problem of extending one leg after the other. So basically, you lengthen one side of the leg while the other has to bear the weight. And when that one lengthened side is consolidated, then you can switch over and lengthen the other side. That means the lengthening time clearly doubles. This is the case with systems that prove to be non-weight bearing. And we are not in this area here, but rather in this one.
This basically applies to both systems. Here, full weight bearing is clearly not allowed. Therefore, they are always dependent on what the doctor has to offer. Becker says, you operate on one side, you lengthen the other side, adapting with plateau shoes. 6, 7, 8 seam, that's what the nail can do. Most can't do it anymore. And adapt that. But what that means is walking with 8 cm platform soles until the bone is healed. And then you can, when the bone and the nail share the load, you can then work on the second side. As you said, double the time, double the pain load, double the training. Everything is doubled. The medication intake, everything is doubled. And that applies to the pre-surgery just as much, and to the second one as well.
The alternative would of course be if you lengthen one leg and tolerate platform shoes, you could do both simultaneously, but then you'd be in a wheelchair. That means being mobile, you can't walk around for the entire lengthening process, you're stuck in bed, in a wheelchair, and therefore immobile.